Welcome to our channel. We are thrilled to have you here as we explore the art of home decorating. In today's video, we're excited to share a collection of elegant home decorating ideas that will elevate the look of your space. Our tips are designer approved, ensuring you receive the best advice to transform your home into a luxurious haven without the hefty price tag. Let's dive in and get started on this transformative journey. Sparkles start with a neutral base. Choosing soft tones such as beige, cream, or warm white is crucial in creating a sophisticated and timeless foundation for your home. These shades offer a versatile backdrop that works well with various decor styles and allows for flexibility in accent choices. By establishing a neutral palette, you set the stage for a harmonious and polished look. To add depth and character to your space, incorporate rich accents that contrast beautifully against the neutral base. Think of colors like charcoal, which adds a touch of drama, or opulent gold, which brings in a sense of luxury. Deep navy is another excellent option that exudes elegance while grounding the overall aesthetic. These rich colors will not only enhance the overall ambience but also create visual interest, making your home feel more layered and refined. By strategically balancing light and dark tones, you can create an inviting atmosphere that feels both sophisticated and comfortable. Experiment with different textures and finishes in your accents to further enrich your decor. For instance, combining matte finishes with glossy surfaces can add an engaging dynamic to your design. Stay tuned as we continue to unveil more decorating ideas that promise to make your home look expensive and chic, all while being budget-friendly. Add mirrors and reflective surfaces to enhance your interior design. Mirrors are not just functional, they serve as artistic components that can truly transform a space. Placing mirrors strategically can create an illusion of depth and increase the natural light in your room, contributing to a more airy, spacious ambience. Opt for a variety of mirror styles, considering classic shapes such as oval or rectangular, for a timeless appeal. Alternatively, choose decorative frames adorned with intricate designs or interesting textures to serve as focal points in your decor. This juxtaposition of reflective surfaces against more muted backgrounds can elevate the overall aesthetic of your space, adding a sense of luxury and sophistication. Couch and lamp invest in statement pieces that can dramatically change the vibe of your area. Selecting standout furniture such as a beautifully upholstered sofa, perhaps in a bold color or unique pattern, can serve as the centerpiece of your living space. A chic console table, whether minimalist or antique, can add character and functionality while providing additional display space for decor items or personal collections. Moreover, a designer-inspired chandelier not only illuminates your space but also acts as a captivating visual element that draws the eye upward. These statement pieces embody style and opulence, often setting the tone for elegance throughout the entire room. When chosen wisely, they can harmoniously tie together the various elements of your interior design, making your home not only more inviting but also truly reflective of your personal taste. Curate your wall art and decor with intention and thoughtfulness. Instead of allowing clutter to take over your living space, opt for a design that speaks to your personal style and aesthetic. Large framed artwork can serve as a focal point in any room, drawing the eye and creating a conversation starter. Consider selecting pieces that resonate with you, be it abstract designs, landscapes, or portraits. Each tells a story that reflects your taste. In addition to framed art, incorporating sculptural decor pieces can add dimension and interest to your surroundings. These three-dimensional items can range from modern sculptures to vintage finds, and they all contribute to a curated feel. Stylish vases are also an excellent choice to enhance your home's design. Whether filled with flowers or standing alone, they can bring sophistication and a designer-inspired touch to your space. Bouquet. To elevate the ambience even further, consider adding a touch of greenery to your interior. Fresh flowers and vibrant colors instantly brighten up a room, adding a cheerful atmosphere. Equally, well-placed plants breathe life into your home while maintaining a sense of elegance. Select greenery that complements your existing decor. Think sleek planters in earthy tones or minimalist glass vases that show off the beauty of your plants. The right choice of greenery not only decorates but can also improve air quality, creating a refreshing environment. Embrace these elements to curate a living space that feels intentional and beautifully designed. To create a serene and sophisticated atmosphere in your home, it's crucial to maintain a clutter-free environment. A neatly organized and minimalistic space not only enhances the visual appeal but also promotes a sense of calm and relaxation. When each item has its designated spot, it becomes easier to appreciate the design aspects of your home, leading to a more elegant and inviting ambience. Furthermore, if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to show your support by liking the video. Your engagement helps us continue providing valuable content. By subscribing to the channel, you'll stay updated with the latest home decor inspiration and designer tips that we share every week. And don't forget to tap the bell icon, which notifies you every time a new video is uploaded, ensuring you never miss out on enhancing your home aesthetic.